Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to get a free SSL certificate and add a secure lock icon on your website. Here you can see I have this website where in the browser it is showing not secure because right now it is only HTTP. So we have to make this website on HTTPS and there will be a secure lock icon in front of the domain name. So to get a lock icon on your domain name, we need to get the SSL certificate for the website. To get a free SSL certificate, we will come to this website cloudflare.com. You can find this link in the video description. Here you can create an account, click on this button, sign up and enter the email ID and new password and create an account. I already have an account, so I will click on this link and here I will add my email ID and password and I will log in. After that it will ask you to enter the domain name. So here you have to enter the website name. So let me come back to my website. I will just copy this one. We can remove this part. We just have to add domain name. That's it. Then click on this button, add site. Next it will ask you to select the plan. So here you can see 3 different plans are there. So at the bottom you can see there is one more plan for free. So just click on this one and click on continue. On this page it will display some information about your domain name. So just click on continue button. And here it will give you a new domain name server. So right now you can see our old domain name server is listed here and it is asking to replace that one with the new one. So it is the new DNS server provided by the Cloudflare. Our domain name is purchased from the GoDaddy. That's why it is saying login to GoDaddy and remove this name server. Let me come to the GoDaddy and I will come to the My Products. You just go for your own domain registration company and select the domain name. So in front of this domain name you can see there is an option called DNS. So I will click on this one. And let's scroll down. Here it displays the old domain name server that we have to change. So let me click on this button, change. Then click on this link, enter my own name server and enter the first DNS and let me come back to the Cloudflare and copy the next one. Add it here. Then click on this save. So it will save the changes. Just accept this one and click on continue. Let me come down and here still it is showing the old name server. So let me refresh the web page. Now you can see the new name server which is provided by the Cloudflare. So we have updated the name server in the GoDaddy. You just update the name server in your domain registration company. Now just come back to the Cloudflare and click on this button. Check name server. Next you have to just complete this small setups. Click here, then save this one as it is. You have to save this one also. Don't need to make any changes, just click on save. That's it. And then click on finish. On this page, let me scroll down at the bottom. And here it is saying registrars can take 24 hours to process name server update. It may take up to 24 hours, but usually it happens within 10 to 20 minutes. So you just have to wait for at least 10 minutes and refresh the web page. So let me refresh this one after a few minutes and you can see we have this message. Cloudflare is now protecting your site. If you are not getting this message, just wait for more time and refresh the web page. Once you get this message, After that, come to this link SSL, then click on this button, Edge certificates. Let's scroll down, and here you can see always use HTTPS. So it will transfer all the traffic from HTTP to the HTTPS. So just enable this one, turn on, that's it. After that, let me come to the website and refresh this one. Now you can see this secure lock icon in front of this domain name. So this was very easy to add a free SSL certificate on your website and make your website secure. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and please like and share this video, and also subscribe my channel Easy Tutorials to watch more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video.